Hey friends, if you're like I am, you love turkey, not just at Thanksgiving, but all year. Boar's Head at the grocery store is fabulous, but I have another turkey that I want to share with you, a way to prepare it. And first I want to talk about where to get a turkey to prepare yourself. This came from Trader Joe's. This is a kosher, natural turkey half breast. So the advantage of this, there are no hormones, no antibiotics, and for almost 3 pounds, this is just right under $14. If you see a fresh turkey breast or half turkey breast, that is your best option because you don't have to thaw it. It's ready to brine. Also frozen is good as well. But I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous turkey at home. Now I use my pellet grill, which is like an oven with smoke, but you could do this with anything that has smoke to make it taste like this. Okay, so I'm going to put the turkey half breast in here, and then I'm going to marinate it overnight. This is my copycat version of Rodney Scott's vinegar sauce, and it's fabulous. It has fresh lemon juice, it has white vinegar, and it's got seasonings, and it is fabulous. So I'm going to just seal this up, and I'm going to keep this in the fridge until tomorrow, after which I will put this on the smoker. And I'm going to share the full technique, but I just wanted to start with this process, and details will be on Family Savvy Instagram and Family Savvy blog.